Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Today I'm doing a collaboration with the Fab Five, and we're doing in our Bling in the New Year. The only requirements for this is it has to be black base, and then you can use golden or silver, and you have to use gold or silver. So, and then we gotta bling it. So I'm going to start off by putting my black down. Sorry about the glare from the light up above, but I'm going to bring it down for a close-up, and this is the wet result, and then I will bring you back when it's dried, and then I add the bling. Look at how pretty it is. So much shimmer. Sorry, so much shimmer there. The silver and gold on this black is beautiful. Alright. I do thank you guys for joining me. I'll bring you back when it's dried and we start blinging it. Hey everybody. We're back to add some bling to this painting. I have some resin mixed up. I use KS resin, and it's equal parts. So I'm just going to put some resin down here, and then do apologize for the glare there, for that light. Just look at how pretty that is. So I used this mirrored glass that I got from Michael's. I used 2 different glitters. I used this ultra fine glitter. I believe I got it from either Michael's or from Walmart. And then I got this extra fine crystal diamond in iridescent color. I got that. I believe that one's from Walmart. But there's my sparkle and my blinging in the new year. So I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you will follow or go and check out the other ladies. I'll have everybody's links in the description, the time that they're going, kind of the order that we're going in. And go and check everybody's out. This was a fun one. I'm all about blinging it and adding some more sparkle and shimmer to it. And this is beautiful. But yeah, check out everybody's, their links are in the description. Thanks again, ladies. This was a fun collaboration. I do thank everybody for joining us. Hopefully you will, you liked it, and you will like and subscribe and share and comment. That helps my channel out tremendously. And I hope everybody is having a fabulous day or a good evening, wherever you may be. And keep being creative, everybody. Thanks again, ladies. I believe Rose is up next, and there's a link in the description for all the ladies in the collab. So have a good day, everybody, and keep being creative. Bye.